welcome back to our channel. I'm Navi from penhouse.in. Today we are going to review Luoshi Sailstar model fountain pen. First I'll show you the pen, and here is the pen. This overall body is made up of metal and the color combination it's silver and then black. It's just nice and amazing, and we have an arrow clip. So today we are going to review this pen. In this video, we are going to see the overall length, weight and writing of the pen. Before going to our video, kindly subscribe to penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn at penhouse.in. Let's move on to the video. Here is Luoshi Sailstar model. It's a fountain pen with dual tone color. The color combination is black and then silver. Here we have a clip. It's a user-friendly clip, so we can easily insert this into the pocket. This finial, it's a flat finial in the top and the bottom. Yes, it's nice with a glossy finish. They have mentioned Luoshi brand name in the clip and the model name in the band area part in the bottom of the cap, Sailstar. Now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we are going to calculate the overall length of this Luoshi Sailstar model fountain pen. So we are going to use this vernier scale. First we need to check whether it's in 0 or not. It's a flat finial. 131.25 mm. I'll remove the cap and check the length. It's 119.26 mm. Now we'll calculate the grip section diameter. And we have a triangular grip section here. It carries 6.93 mm. And there is no thread part. Now we are going to calculate the overall weight of this Luoshi brand fountain pen. It's 25 gram, and we'll remove the cap and check the weight of this cap. It carries 7 gram. The grip section part including the overall body it carries 19 gram. I'll unscrew this and check the weight. It's 10 gram. This converter including the grip section part, it carries 8 gram. And this very small converter, this grip section part alone carries 8 gram. And this converter carries, it comes under milligrams. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the construction of the pen. This is a lightweight pen with the usual length. Now we look into the pen. It's a snap-on cap with triangular grip section. Yeah, that's nice. And this feels like I'm holding like a pencil or some other lightweight thing. I couldn't imagine this is like a pen, but it's very perfect for my hands. And I just love this pen. This nib is SSF silver surface finish, and this is the fine nib with a plain feed. It's like a hero pen nib. Now we look into the ink type. Yes, this is the converter type, and this type of converters, this types of ink system is a versatile ink system, so we can easily refill the ink and out the ink, and we can use different colors and short timings. And in converters also different converters are there, like pull up and pull off and screw type, and this is a up and down, pull up and pull down type. Yeah, that's an amazing. So now we'll do the writing sample. We'll check whether it's writing smooth or rough, and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this Luoshi Sailstar model fountain pen. So that we are going to do the writing sample. We are going to use penhouse.in manufactured ink. We are going to use violet color. We are going to dip the ink and then rub in a cloth. We are going to do the writing sample now. First, we are going to write penhouse.in. Penhouse.in, and this is violet color ink. It's Luoshi Sailstar model fine nib, and it's a lightweight pen with a triangular grip section. It's very smooth to write. And do the rubbing test. And now the smoothing test. Yes, it's very smooth. I'll draw the horizontal line and vertical line. In some types of fountain pens, we may feel that while writing at start, a bit of roughness you can feel, but it's very smooth here with the sharp strokes. Amazing to write and hold. I just love this pen. Now, we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. This triangular grip section is just amazing. I couldn't take off my hands from writing. It feels like it's just very nice, good feeling actually. Holding like this lightweight pen. It's just amazing, and this is a budget friendly pen. So who all can use this pen? This is the fine nib and a lightweight pen with a triangular grip section. And nowadays school students need to write more and more. Schools have started. For them, this is a perfect pen actually. So school going, office, adults, everybody can use this pen. It's a perfect for writing and holding. It's just amazing. So we came to the end of the session. Whether Pen House is only reviewing these types of pens and uploading the videos, not at all. We are retailers and manufacturers. We are retailing different branded pens like Lucy, Lamy, Sheffer, Parker, Cross, all branded pens, including their spares are available like cartridges, converters, pouch, ink bottles, all the spares are available. Other than that, we are manufacturing our own branded pens like rollerball pens, ballpoint pens, and then fountain pens, including handmade pens. Nowadays, most of the manufacturers are not doing handmade pens, but in Pen House we are doing, especially silver filigree pens. You can also customize in that silver pens. You can customize your company name or logo or any other god symbol would you like, and that would be the perfect thing. Other than that, we are manufacturing acrylic and MDF products like clocks, gift items, corporate gift items under short timings and affordable prices. And price is the most important thing. Maintaining like this pen, it may be a budget friendly pen or luxury pen. You should maintain it properly. The best two ways to maintain: one is you need to carry a pouch so that no scratches will be available and that pen will take you to a long life. And the second thing, you need to maintain it properly. You need to do proper service for that pen. That service is also available in penhouse.in. You can also contact us. You can directly visit our shop, and it's in Tambaram, Velacheri, and it's Solinganallur. You can purchase through online. You can send your service things through online. Yeah, all the services are available. You can contact us. If you want to know all the categories of us or you want to purchase this pen, both the links are in the description. Kindly see to it and enjoy your product. Until next time, stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.